हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आप देख रहे हैं आपका अपने यूट्यूब चैनल राम बाबू सेफ्टी गाइड। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्योंकि आज हम लोग रोड सेफ्टी स्लोगन्स के ऊपर में बात करने वाले हैं। हमने इसमें बेस्ट रोड सेफ्टी स्लोगन्स का हम लोगों ने लिया हुआ है। ये इंग्लिश में है। अगर आपको हिंदी रोड सेफ्टी स्लोगन्स चाहिए तो इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से जाके आप देख सकते हैं। तो दूसरा कैसा है, और आपको इसमें हम बताने वाले हैं कि रोड सेफ्टी स्लोगन को कैसे आपको लिखना है। तो वीडियो का स्टार्ट करते हैं, देर न करते हुए। एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर अभी तक आपने राम बाबू सेफ्टी गाइड को सब्सक्राइब नहीं, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल की घंटी दबाएं, ताकि कोई भी हमारी वीडियो आए तो आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिलती है। तो वीडियो का स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम देखते हैं कि अभी हम लोग जो है हम बेस्ट ऑफ द ईयर रोड सेफ्टी वीक स्लोगन्स इन इंग्लिश। तो वीडियो को हम एक एक करके देखते हुए जाएंगे।
1. A driving tip for the day. Yield the right of way. 2. A normal drive will keep you alive. 3. Accidents are held by mistake if you take road rules as fake. 4. Accidents are the mistakes of humans. 5. Accidents do not happen, they are caused. 6. Adjust mirrors while driving can save you from dying. 7. Alert today, alive tomorrow. 8. Always remember, drive slower to live longer. 9. Always rescue an accident victim. Leaving someone writhing in pain is a cowardly act. 10. Always use seat belt to reduce accident rate. 11. Always wait for red. Don't go for bleed. 12. Anyone driving slower than you is an idiot, and anyone going faster than you is a maniac. Best of the Year's Road Safety Week slogans in English. 13. As a matter of fact, I don't own the road. 14. Be a best driver to be a good survivor. 15. Be a cautious person and not clever while driving. 16. Be a driver not clever while driving. 17. Be alert as accidents hunts. 18. Be alert before it hurt. 19. Be alert to be safe and secure. 20. Be alert to reduce roadside accidents. 21. Be alert to save your life. 22. Be alert while driving on road. 23. Be alert. Accidents hunt. 24. Be sure to tie seat belt before driving the car. 25. Be sure to wear helmet before driving bike. 26. Better be alert today so that you can live tomorrow. 27. Better be Mr. Late than to be late Mr. 28. Better late than never. 29. Better to arrive late than never. 30. Booze it and lose it. 31. Breaking the rules is not courageous when your life is at stake. 32. Caution, I brake for stop signs. 33. Check your nerve on my curve. 34. Disobedience of traffic rules exterminate the purpose of life. 35. Do not mix drinking and driving. 36. Do not use a cell phone while driving. 37. Don't act a fool. Follow the traffic rule. 38. Don't be blind. Keep in mind all the road safety measures. 39. Don't act a fool. Follow the traffic rule. 40. Don't be blind. Keep in mind all the road safety measures. 41. Don't be fool. Follow traffic rules. 42. Don't be fool. Respect road safety rules. 43. Don't be in hurry, otherwise you will get worried. 44. Don't be the driving force behind traffic accidents. 45. Don't copy fools. Promptly follow traffic rules. 46. Don't drink and drive. 47. Don't drive faster than your guardian angel can fly. 48. Don't drive in wrong lane. It will leave you in pain. 49. Don't let your family suffer for your negligence. 50. Don't use phone while driving. It will leave your family alone. 51. Don't watch her behind. Keep safety in mind. 52. Donate blood, but not on roads. 53. Drive as if every child on the street were your own. 54. Drive for safety. 55. Drive like hell and you will be there. 56. Drive like people out there are trying to kill you because they are. 57. Drive safely to make accidents rarely. 58. Drive safety rules are your best tools. 59. Drive slow, go back home, or drive fast and hell awaits you. 60. Drive slowly, as fast drive can be last drive. 61. Drive slowly, someone is waiting at home. 62. Drive with reason this holiday season. 63. Drive with reason this summer season. 64. Drive, don't fly. 65. Driving fast can be the last. 66. Driving faster can cause disaster. 67. Driving like there is no tomorrow is likely to produce that result. 69. Drop down the speed. You are the one your family need. 70. Drop down your speed because you are your family's need. 71. Drug, drink and drive never go together. 72. Drunk and drive cannot go together. 73. Everything comes your way if you are in the wrong lane. 74. Fast drive could be last drive. 75. Fast driving is not safe. Follow the limit to avoid chafe. 76. Fast driving is prohibited. Follow it. 77. Fast driving kills. Please avoid it. 78. Fast speed driving becomes thriving but life-taking. 79. Feel the curves but don't hug them. 81. Follow driving tips all through the day to keep accidents away. 82. Follow road culture to save your future. 83. Follow road safety rules. 84. Follow the traffic rule that was taught in school. 85. Follow traffic rules and save lives. 86. Follow traffic rules, save your future. 87. Got indicators? Got brakes? Got a license? Got insurance? 88. Have another day. 89. Having a license doesn't make you a safe driver any more than having a lottery ticket makes you a millionaire. 90. Hit and run were meant for the ball field. 91. Hug your kids at home, but belt them in the car. 92. Ice and snow, take it slow. 93. If you don't have traffic sense, you will find yourself in ambulance. 94. If you drink and drive, you are a bloody idiot. 95. If you drink, drive, you are a bloody idiot. 96. If you know you are driving to your death, would you still drive so fast? 97. If you think you are the best driver, then you better be aware. 98. If you want to stay married, divorce speed. 99. Injury gives your tears, whereas safety cheers. 100. It is better to drive slow and be an idiot than to drive fast and be a maniac. 101. It's always better to reach late than never. Don't speed up. 102. It's wise to be slow while driving. 103. Keep you informed with road safety norms. 104. Keep your eyes on the road even in the lack of crowd. 105. No road safety, no injury. No road safety, no injury. 106. Leave sooner, drive slower, and live longer. 107. Life doesn't have a reset button. Drive safe. 108. Life is too precious to lose in an accident. 109. Look every way every day. 111. Love thy neighbor, but not while driving. 112. Mountains are a pleasure if you drive with leisure. 113. Mummy, please don't end my life before it begins. Never use mobile phone while driving. 114. Never drink while driving. 115. Night doubles traffic troubles. 116. Normal speed meets every need. 118. Normal speed meets the road safety needs. 119. Obey traffic police. Follow traffic rules to avoid accidents. 120. One fast drive can make it the last drive of your life. 121. Please be late, but do not be dead. 122. Please do not be a fool and respect road safety rules. 123. Prepare and prevent. Don't repair and repent. 124. Rash driving is thrilling but leads to killing. 125. Rash driving might take away your breath and give you death. 126. Reckless driving just may be your ticket to some place out of this world. 127. Remember it just. Road safety is must. 128. Road safety is a cheaper and effective insurance. 129. Road safety is a state of mind. Accident is an absence of mind. 130. Road safety is cheaper and effective insurance. 131. Road safety is the utmost priority. 132. Road safety must be your topmost priority. 133. Road sense is the offspring of courtesy and the parent of safety. 134. Roads are made to drive but not to fly. 135. Safe driving saves lives. 136. Safety is not automatic. Think about it. 137. Safety starts with S, begins with U. 138. Save life to obey the traffic rules. 139. Seat belts save lives and avoid hungry children, mourning wives. 140. Shining bright lights at each other is not road safety. 141. Slow down. Your family will be waiting for you. 142. Your little care while driving can make accidents rare. 143. Slower speed may make you late, but higher will definitely cause death. 144. Speed. Some it thrills, some it kills. 145. Speed has 5 letters, so has death. Slow has 4 letters, so has life. 146. Speed thrills but kills. 147. Stay alert for the safety of your own as well as others. 148. Stay alive, think and drive. 149. Stop accidents before they stop you. 150. Stop accidents before they stop you. 151. Stop driving fast before accidents stop you. 152. Teach your neighbor to be a good driver. 153. The best car safety device is a rear-view mirror with a cop in it. 154. Your destination is sure with safe driving. 155. Your fast drive can be your last drive. 156. The best drivers are aware that they must be beware. 157. The fast drive could be the last drive. 158. The light was yellow, officer. 159. Think about safety first, then drive. 160. To avoid death, use a seat belt. 161. Wear a helmet to protect your head, else you could be dead. 162. When you have an accident, who cries the most? Your family, your friends, or you. 163. While driving, avoid phone or else your family will be left alone. 164. While driving, doesn't use your phone, your death will leave your family alone. 165. Wrong driving may stop your breath and cause death. 166. You can meet every need by maintaining normal speed. 167. You can't get home unless you are safe. 168. You should donate blood in blood banks, not on roads. Best of the year's Road Safety Week slogans in English or
तो हमारी वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी? वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब